Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in today, you're probably on the hunt for the perfect laptop to boost your remote work or gaming in 2024. Well, you're in luck because we've rounded up the top contenders to help you find the best fit for your needs. Whether you're all about power, portability, or budget, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in. First up, if you're looking for the absolute best, the Dell XPS 17 is the way to go. This beast is equipped with an Intel Core i9-1390H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, so you can tackle any task with ease. The 17-inch WQXGA display offers stunning visuals with 500 nits of brightness and a touchscreen for easy navigation. It's packed with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, meaning you can store and access your files at lightning speed. Plus, it comes with a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint reader, and a 720p HD camera. Perfect for those long Zoom meetings. For more details, check out the link in the description. Mac users, you're not left out. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 is the ultimate choice for those who love their Apple ecosystem. With up to 22 hours of battery life, you can work from sunrise to sunset without needing a charge. It features up to 36 gigabytes of unified memory and 4 terabytes of super-fast SSD storage. The 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a visual treat with extreme dynamic range and up to 1,000 nits of brightness. Plus, its advanced camera and audio system ensure you look and sound great in every video call. Dive into the details with the link below. For those focusing on data entry, the Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 1 is a top pick. It's powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1260P and comes with 48 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD, making it ideal for handling large datasets and multitasking. The 16-inch WXGA touchscreen display is easy on the eyes, and it features a full-size backlit keyboard with a numpad for effortless typing. With up to 13 hours of battery life, it's perfect for long work sessions. Check it out via the link in the description. If you're all about simplicity and efficiency, the HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook might just be your dream machine. It's powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and offers 32 gigabytes of RAM along with a 1 terabyte SSD. The 13.5-inch WWXGA touchscreen display is bright and clear, and it includes advanced security features to keep your data safe. With its lightweight design and excellent battery life, it's perfect for on-the-go professionals. Don't miss out. Check the link below. Gamers, we haven't forgotten you. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is the ultimate gaming laptop for 2024. It's equipped with a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-1490HX processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU for unparalleled performance. The 18-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and immersive gameplay. With 32 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage, you'll have all the power and space you need. For more gaming specs, hit the link in the description. Finally, if you're on a budget, the Acer Aspire Go 14 is a fantastic choice. It offers a great balance of performance and affordability with an Intel Core i3 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD. The 14-inch WWXGA touchscreen display is crisp and clear, and with Windows 11 Pro, you're all set for productivity. It's perfect for everyday tasks without breaking the bank. Check out the details via the link below. And there you have it, our top picks for remote work laptops in 2024. Whether you need top-tier performance, a sleek MacBook, a budget-friendly option, or something in between, there's a laptop here for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Check out the links in the description for more information on each laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.